Hey guys, happy Sunday to you. Jungle Jerry here with Tiki71. Today we're going to do a little upgrade again to Kiwi Kate's Go Mango Challenger. It's not orange, it's definitely not orange. It's Go Mango. Let me show you what we're going to do. So she's got some really good looking rims, but I noticed the calipers are just plain Jane. And so what I did is I got online and I got some caliper covers with the Cursive Challenger writing. Not too bad. You can get them for under $300. I will post a link down below. I'm also going to put some carbon fiber and silver tipped valve stem caps on there, and we're going to make it look good. First thing we need to do is jack this thing up. I've got the emergency brake on. I'm going to do the fronts first, and then I will do the backs, and I will block the front tires because I'm on a bit of a grade here. But let me show you where to jack this thing up so that you know. So right there where you see that little orange tab under the trim, that is going to be where we're going to put the jack stand. And then if you come out just a little bit, you can see right there, dead center on the camera there, on the screen, that's where we're going to, that's our lift point for the floor jack. So I'm going to roll that floor jack under there. We'll lift there, and then we're going to be careful not to mess up that tab, the plastic tab there, but we're going to put that jack right underneath there, and we'll get this first tire off. And just to make your life a little bit easier, before you jack this thing up, what I would recommend, take your 22mm socket for the Challenger lugs and go ahead and bust these things loose here. I'm about 2 clicks on here now, and so I'm just going to slowly let this bad boy down. Now that we have the tire off, the only thing you're really going to need is a 3/8" socket for this. Pretty straightforward. We're going to start with these little brackets right here, and we're going to put those on. One thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to loosen up these 3/8" nuts here. It's a really simple install, very easy to do. And the other thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to line this up on the rotor here. I want the nuts to be centered on the rotor. So I'm going to take one of these little clips here, and I'm going to come into this bracket right here. And slide that in right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the other one down low and do the exact same thing. Put the nut centered up on the rotor. Here's the look there. And down low here. Yeah, that's going to look nice. That's just a little righty-tighty action with the old ratchet here. Now when I'm putting my tires back on, just like I said earlier, we're going to go star pattern. We're going to start all of these finger tight, and then we'll go around and tighten them down in a star pattern. Boy, that's looking really good. Look at that. And then look at that. What a difference. Okay, so I got both front caliper covers done. That one on the other side went a lot faster. First time you do something slow, then it speeds up. I've got a torque wrench here set to 88 foot-pounds, which is what I saw online is recommended for the 21 GT, Challenger GT. So I'm going to double check. I know I'm good to go though with that impact wrench, but we'll just be sure here. Yep. So for your rear caliper, you have these two. They're identical, just like the fronts are identical. But what we're going to do this time is we're going to put them on like so. back here and then slide it over. try to do this one-handed. I may not be able to, but well, I can't do it one-handed, but what we're going to do here is we're going to have this nut on the out towards the front of the vehicle, and I'm going to take two hands and I'm just going to press this into place, center it on the rotor, and it will snap into place. Well, just like the box. I'm going to do the same thing for the bottom one. Yeah. Now that I've got them on and centered on the rotor, I'm going to take these nuts off. And our caliper cover, we're going to line these up on the appropriate one. Down on here. I'm going to start these nuts. Get them finger tight. I wish they had this in orange. They've got like red, black, and yellow, but it'll work. It'll do. Yeah. All right, finger tight. Now I'm going to come back and take a look at this and make sure I like the way it looks, and I do. So we'll go ahead and send those nuts home now. And there we go. One more and we are done with this project. You'll notice on your lugs that you've got these little deals like this. So if you start with that bottom one, when you send it home, it's actually going to help center the rest of these, and we're going to go in that star pattern to make sure this wheel is perfectly centered. But watch this wheel as this thing goes down. It actually put it into proper position. Now when we come back through and do our stars, we're pretty much there. We're just, it's going to do the final lineup as we send it home. Boy, that looks a bajillion times better, doesn't it? Yes, sir. Man, you can dress that look up real easy and get rid of that ugly look that the stock calipers have by getting you some caliper covers. And now for our new valve stem caps. We had a lot of rain yesterday. It's been really nasty and cold. I got to get her washed too, but got the carbon fiber look there. Really like that. Yeah. Yeah, that sure dresses it up nice. What a difference that makes. So, well, boy, that really dressed up the Go Mango Challenger there. I really do like that. I'm going to have links down below to the MGP calipers. You can get them for the Dodge Challenger, Camaro, other brands, and then they also have just generic ones if you just want the color. You can get like red and black and yellow. I wish they had orange, but you know what? That'll work. Now the valve stem covers, the carbon fiber wrap with the polished tips, and I'll have a link for those as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe. Give me a comment down below. Let me know if you're working on any kind of project yourself and what you're driving. I'm living vicariously through her car, though. I do know that. If you found this helpful, be sure and share it as well. That actually helps the channel and helps us grow. And we thank you. And we will see you in the next video. Peace.